Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video, we completed the user view part. Okay, so we haven't make any. We just make all the login and registration. So here it's a login form. It's an ordinary login form. Okay, so we haven't do any modification here. This one should be the admin login. Okay, we have two fields. Okay, so first I'm going to make this one. So simply the footer we don't need them, so we have to get rid of this line, so it's no problem. So here the where's the login, user login. So user login, the same code I just copied, paste on it, you control C to copy, control select all, control E to paste, replace it again. So it will be changed as this login. What the guy, it's not working. Save all, bring back to the application. Why it's not working? Okay, the problem is here. Okay, why it's not working? It's a login. This same login page. This is a user login page. Control C to copy. Go to here. Select all. Control V to paste over here. Now bring back to the application and check it. This is a login. Is a admin login. Now it's working. Now the registration part. First we have to look at the registration form of the admin registration. So here we have a sign up. Here this is the form. Okay, so here this is the my documentation mentioned. First you have the form field. This form field you have to put it over here. We need an action. This is a raw, this action and post method. Just copy it and paste it over here. Here what I'm going to do is uh, here we have to change the fields. What are the fields we there? We need a name field. Here's a name. This all things we just copied. Okay, this name field. So this is a name. Here is a class only there. Here this is a name. For this text box first name. Okay, name, this id one no needed. First one should be the name. Okay, your name. Okay, the first input field is a name. Second input field is a email. So here email. So the same thing, the type is email. We just copy this all things. You have to paste it over here, email. However, the third one should be the password. The input field is the password field. That's it. That's all the field. So this one no need them. This one also we have a button. Okay, so with all the fields we have set it. So we have this form consists of name, email, password. These are the types. Password type. This is a password. So we have attribute. We have to implement that. This one should be the password. So the password. 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 This is a password. That's it. So the repeat pass we no need them. This one I just get rid of this line. So we have one register button. When you press register button, it goes to admin control admin controller registration method. So we have to make the routes. Go to the web.php page. Here we have to make the route. The routing section, we have done the routing section also below here. Now here, this is the thing. So where's the admin? Here, this one, the admin area. So we have a you just copy this lines. paste on it. This one I'm just to I don't need them this one. Okay, no need them. Admin login. Admin register. The authentication part I am going to this one should be we have to remove it. At the moment we no need. Now let's keep this is the registration part. So we have to store this one admin store. This is the add the record into the database. This is the view the registration part. Okay, so here what you're going to do is you have to go to my form. These are the fields. You have to say, change it as admin store the route. Okay, so here these are the registration simple form. It consists of name, email, and password. Here we have to mention the CRF token. This is must. Otherwise it won't work in Laravel. So the name, email, password, and your button type you have to change it as submit. Click register button. It goes to admin controller store action method. So here there is a route we have already defined. Here this one, it goes to admin registration controller store action method. Here it's the store action method. It retrieving the values. So let's check it whether the values are coming or not. You are putting this D. Okay, let's check it. Let's save all, and we have to run the application check. Application already running. Let's check it. Okay, it's working. The request is coming here. This all things, email, password, all things are coming over here. It's coming. It's coming like this is successfully coming. Now let's check it. It's added or let me add the data. The data this one no needed now at the moment. Now this is the admin user log registration part. So what you're going to do is so here we have to get rid of this line. So write Arun at admin.com. Arun as admin user. Password I am going to put it like this. The password register. Okay, it's registered successfully. Admin thank for page not found, it's taking, but the registration is successfully we done it. So why the page not work? Thanks.play.php is a page. Okay. The name is you can see here carefully understand the tank only, but I name it as thanks. Right, thanks. Control S to save and bring back to the application again. I'm going to save another record. John at gmail.com 123. Click register. Thank you. The data is added successfully. Now let's do the same thing. You have to do it as a registration part, as the same registration part you have to make it as where the user as well. So the same code I just copy this. Same thing we are do it by the user as well. I just Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. Okay, nothing to do it. So all the fields are same. Okay, so here this goes to user store action method. User controller store action method. So whereas user controller store action method. So here there's a route. It's a route. The route we have defined the thing is it's a register. The register page. So you have to write this one as this. Here you have to get this one as this one. So ordinary user page. This one. User registration. You have to get this one. You have named as user login. User part. Okay. So user registration, normal registration. It's ordinary registration. You have to name this one as a. You have to get this one as a store. Carefully you have to do it. Okay. This is very must. Okay. So this carefully do it. You have to write it here. What thing you have to write it? User store. User store. It goes to user registration. User registration controller. Store action. So as a user registration controller, store action method is there. If you want to view the data whether it's working fine or not, this is also the tanks, not tanks. Let's do it. This is a we have to get rid of this admin login. This is the ordinary login. So write it as a OB as a user OB gmail.com password 123 register. Thank you. It's working perfectly.